Hey everybody, Tatiana here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tatiana and welcome. I hope you joined the family. And today we're doing a Sunday reset. So you already seen the first part of the video and it is very realistic, very me. That's just what I do in the mornings. But today I'm going to be cleaning the downstairs. I'm going to be cleaning the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. So come with me to get everything clean. Hey guys, so I just finished cleaning the dining room and the kitchen. I think the video is going to be on the longer side because of the footage that I captured, but I didn't really deep clean. I just lightly cleaned, but I hope that this was motivation to somebody to get up and clean today. I still have so much more to do. I have to still sweep the floor and mop the floor, but I'm not going to record that because of all the footage that I got while I was cleaning. But yeah guys, I can't wait to do more of these videos. I love like cleaning videos and home videos. Like I can sit up there and watch it all day if I could, but you know, I got kids, I got a family and everything, so I can't sit around and watch it all the time. But I absolutely love home videos. I also wanted to record some self-care, but I figured that I would just focus mainly on the cleaning. But I think I'm going to do a self-care video next. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, this video is more of a light clean than a deep clean. I didn't really deep clean today. I just lightly cleaned, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do a deep cleaning video right after this one. I don't know yet, we'll see. And then I'll do the self-care video afterwards. I don't know, I'll just figure that out as time goes on. But so far, I'm loving how the house is coming together. I love the decor that we have, but there's still some parts of the house that I need to decorate. And in the last video, I showed you this sign at Hobby Lobby, and I really want it, but as I'm looking at the house, I do not think that I will have enough space for it. But anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tend to my kids. Today is Sunday, so I want to go ahead and spend time with my family. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.